Teacher Aya Online Tutor.
Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. Has. Again. Has. Your turn to read, children. Now, let's use has in a sentence. Mina has a red guitar. Again. Mina has a red guitar. Your turn to read, children. Coco has a new toy truck. Again. Coco has a new toy truck. Your turn to read, children. Brent has one red balloon. Again. Brent has one red balloon. Your turn to read, children. With. Again. With. Your turn to read, children. Now, let's use with in a sentence. I like bread with cheese. Again. I like bread with cheese. Your turn to read, children. I want the bag with a ribbon. Again. I want the bag with a ribbon. Your turn to read, children. Tanya will sing with joy. Again. Tanya will sing with joy. Your turn to read, children. Like. Again. Like. Your turn to read, children. Now, let's use like in a sentence. I like to go to the beach. Again, I like to go to the beach. Your turn to read, children. We like to play hide and seek. Again, we like to play hide and seek. Your turn to read, children. They like to bake a cake. Again, they like to bake a cake. Your turn to read, children. See. Again, see. Your turn to read, children. Now, let's use the word see in a sentence. I see a big brown bear. Again, I see a big brown bear. Your turn to read, children. I see a small blue bird. Again, I see a small blue bird. Your turn to read, children. I see a big yellow bus. Again, I see a big yellow bus. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read together. Are you ready? Let's start. Mina has a red guitar. Coco has a new toy truck. Brent has one red balloon. I like bread with cheese. I want the bag with a ribbon. Tanya will sing with joy. I like to go to the beach. We like to play hide and seek. They like to bake a cake. I see a big brown bear. I see a small blue bird. I see a big yellow bus. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lesson. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.